Hey you guys, welcome to my channel, Asia's Travel Adventures. So my husband is working on the van. We bought something kind of fun. So I'm going to show you guys. Because our USB thing stopped working in the van. So here's the mess going on. Tools out. So this was attached under there as one part. So we bought this to put in, and which is this here, and to replace out of this one. So this was all lined up, like, anyways, it was all under there. So switching that out, that's what's going on. So Shadow's gonna disconnect the battery, his tools. Here's the back of the van. So what our mess looks like. Shadow keeps all his tools under here in that area. And then here's all of our other stuff. So yeah, Shadow's he's going to disconnect the battery in order to switch out the USB chargers for inside the van so we can actually plug in our phones and stuff. So
I'm going to pull the fuse to it. I'm not going to pull the battery.
No.
So pull the fuse to that. What's that? Oh! I've never seen that before.
It's other fuses. Ooh. Where's the battery at? Underneath that?
Yeah.
Oh. The battery's... There's that fuse box, so it's under there. Shoot. That's a tight fit for the battery. That's why you're not taking the battery, disconnecting it?
Yep.
It's too complicated. Shoot. So, this is pretty gross. From the grimy $500 van, right? Look at that underneath there. I didn't even know that came out and unscrewed. And then here's the wire. You can see it right there. That connects to the old USB thing. So that's the power source for 12 volts that we're going to use for, let's see, for the new USB thing and charger. So that was like $5 or something, $10, I can't remember, here at Walmart. Disclaimer, not sponsored by Walmart or the company that makes this 12 volt USB power outlet. This is what this is. So, yeah, just saying. I don't want to get in trouble for anything. So, we just got this mess going on. There's the parking lot. Good old Walmart. So, I'm going to check these out. There's actually a lot of fuses missing out of there.
Is that the door lock that you just heard?
That's someone else's car.
No, that's not what I'm talking about.
No, I didn't hear anything. Oh, yep, it was.
Okay.
That's for the door locks. That fuse, I guess. Well, I didn't lock the door. There's a mess going on. Here's the back, the inside, like this. Okay, you guys, so I'm using Velcro to mount the USB thing. So I'm using this Velcro here. Not sponsored by this company or brand or anything. Just saying, disclaimer. And so I took 2 pieces and mounted it on here. And then it's going to go like this to where the old one was. So that's what I'm doing for my part. And this is industrial strength low profile, heavy duty thin design Velcro, which I've used for our Reflectix in the windows too, and it's amazing. Alright, so stick it together now. Just kind of put some pressure on it to get it to really stick.
Yeah, you get that stick and do it there, and then
Now let's test it out.
I'll have to figure out.
That's why Velcro is awesome. Right
I'm
there.
glad I thought of that.
Look at that. What? You thought of what? The Velcro?
Yeah.
Yeah, you did. Okay.
What? Thought of what?
I'll give you some props. Here, you want a fist bump for it? There we go. Yep, that was the husband's idea finally. Fucker. Okay, let's reattach. Bam! There it is.
Alright, you done?
I'm done. You gonna do the wiring now?
Yeah, I'm trying to do it.
Okay. Let's rip it off. There we go.
Do that.
Oh.
Try and make it not visible.
Right.
Oh, these are really.
They're industrial strength. That's why you
This wire.
point it through.
Splice these back. It's gonna be a minute. Actually, I'm gonna cook them.
Doing the lighter. What is going on under there? Can't see with your fat hands. There we go. Are you melting the rubber or the plastic off the wiring?
Yes.
Oh, we're gonna have an electrical fire, man.
No, we're not.
Oh, I see. Some live action. Oh, it stinks. Smells bad. Can't see anything.
But it's good enough. Okay.
Okay. Back in. Nice bald head. Oh, they rub for good luck. You're my Buddha. Still on, and the Velcro's holding. We got live action. Whoop whoop. Yeah. There's my Buddha though, right there, with some sage.
Here's the Buddha.
That's my Buddha. This is my live Buddha right here. My husband. Petting you like a dog. Woof woof.
Oh my God.
I love you though.
There it is. It's installed. That's pretty cool how that looks pretty cool. It looks sleek
It's the
and
setup.
clean looking. You know, not like all sloppy. Looks pretty clean.
Yeah, it's nice.
Wow. I'm amazed at how well I did that.
Glass cases there.
I'm that good?
Are you?
Yeah.
Are you that good?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, thank you, babe.
Yeah.
Good job. Okay, process is done. We have power again.